Look here. Yes.
That's weird.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think it goes. Now you have to watch the film. Now the drop started. Did you see that?
No. Yeah, it's
Why
just
did you
start
You
now.
shouldn't have said the word, darling. When you opened your mouth and said the word rain, and it started to
It's
drop.
not my fault.
Yes, it's your fault. 100% your fault.
Oh my
Before you said that,
God.
nothing happened.
But you can see that we're coming to the rain, right?
Yeah, but before you said anything,
But look,
there was nothing.
it's already wet here.